This chart analyzes the density data from an experiment I've done with my students, and I want to clean this chart up a bit. And so what I want to do is select the chart, click on it, click Chart Design, and then I want to add axis titles. I want to add a horizontal title. There it is. And then I also want to add a vertical. There we go. I want that one as well. So let's click on each one of these, and I'm going to call this I just want to say box plot here. Box plot analysis of density data. How about that? That sounds really good. It's not very bold, and we might can mess with that around another video. Let's click on this axis title. I just simply want this to read grams per cubic centimeter. Okay, let's go backspace. How about G per cc? Which we might could be specific, grams per cubic centimeter. That may be over the top. Let's click outside and see what we think. Grams per cc, grams per cubic centimeter. That looks pretty good. And why don't we just change the top title to just density of wood, since we have, I did not mean to do that, since we have, there we go, density of wood. There we go, let's do that. We have grams per cubic centimeter here as describing these numbers, and we're telling what this is. I think this looks pretty nice. I would say one nice thing that we might can do, I was going to wait for another video to do this, but let's just look at this real quick and just see if we can grab a hold of this. Can we grab this? What if we hit bold? Yeah, that's kind of nice. Let's do that. Let's, if I can grab a hold of this one. I don't know if I can. Let me try this. Well, I want to go all the way to the end. Escape. Alright, let's go here. And then drag. Come on now. Well. Alright. Well, okay, let's now. There we go. Go to the very bottom. That made it work beautifully. Now let's hit bold. And then let's go to this one, and we'll start left and go to the right and hit bold again. There we go. That, to me, is kind of a minimal dress up. Your teacher might require a certain font size, so please respect that. This is readable, I would say. This is good enough. We changed the axis titles, and we dressed it up a little bit. We bolded this as well, so not bad. Not bad, mate.